Hello everyone, we are back again with another great video. And this time, we're diving deep into the world of digital product launches. Whether it's an online course, an ebook, a great app, or something completely different, launching a digital product can be overwhelming. Trust me, I've been there. But don't worry, with the right checklist, you can set yourself up for success. In this video, I'm breaking down the ultimate digital product launch checklist, step by step. We're talking about everything from understanding your audience to marketing your product like a pro. So, if you're ready to launch your digital product with confidence, stick around because this video is for you. Let's dive into the ultimate digital product launch checklist. Before you even think about launching your product, you gotta know who you're launching it to. That's where market research comes in. You need to understand your target audience, like really understand them. What are their pain points? What are their aspirations? What keeps them up at night? And don't forget about the competition. You gotta scope out the other players in your niche. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? Thorough market research gives you a solid foundation to build on. Okay, so you've got this amazing idea for a digital product, right? But is it actually something people want? That's where product validation comes in. You gotta make sure your product is actually solving a problem or meeting a need in the market. There are a bunch of ways to validate your product idea. You can run surveys, create a minimum viable product, or even do some beta testing. The key is to get feedback from your target audience early on and make sure you're on the right track. You know what they say, first impressions matter. And in the digital world, your brand is your first impression. You need a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Think about your brand name, logo, colors, fonts, tone of voice. All these elements work together to create a cohesive brand experience. Remember, you want to stand out in a crowded digital landscape, and a strong brand helps you do just that. Chapter 4. Your online home website and landing page. In the digital world, your website or landing page is your storefront. It's the first place people go to learn about your product, so it needs to make a good impression. We're talking about a clean, professional design that's easy to navigate. Make sure it's mobile-friendly because, let's be real, everyone's on their phones these days. And most importantly, your website needs to clearly communicate the value of your product and include a clear call to action. Chapter 5. Content is king. You've heard it before, content is king, and it's still true. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates, ebooks, the list goes on. The goal is to provide value, build relationships, and position yourself as an expert in your niche. High-quality content is key to attracting your ideal customer. Chapter 6. Email Marketing Magic. Email marketing might seem a little old school, but trust me, it's still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience and promote your product. Building an email list is like building a direct line to your most engaged potential customers. You can use email marketing to share valuable content, announce special promotions, and even offer exclusive discounts to your subscribers. A well-crafted email sequence can make all the difference. Chapter 7. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your digital product and reaching a wider audience. You need to be strategic about which platforms you use, though. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Figure out where your target audience hangs out online and focus your efforts there. Create engaging content, run contests and giveaways, and use social media advertising to get your product in front of the right people. Chapter 8. Paid Advertising Power-Up. Organic reach is great and all, but sometimes you need a little boost. That's where paid advertising comes in. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising can help you reach a much larger audience and drive targeted traffic to your website. The key to paid advertising is to be strategic with your targeting and budgeting. You want to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. Chapter 9. Track your success, analytics and tracking. You can't improve what you don't measure, right? That's why analytics and tracking are so important. You need to set up analytics for your website, landing pages, and marketing campaigns. This data will tell you what's working, what's not, and how you can optimize your efforts for better results. It's all about making data-driven decisions to improve your launch strategy. Chapter 10. Your launch game plan. Alright, we're in the home stretch now. It's time to create your launch plan. This is where you bring everything together. Your launch plan should include a detailed timeline, marketing activities, and any partnerships or collaborations you have in place. Having a solid launch plan will keep you organized, focused, and on track to hit your goals. Outro ready to launch? And there you have it, the ultimate digital product launch checklist. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a successful launch. Remember, launching a digital product takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Because the world needs what you have to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.